Ivan Perisic to Manchester United edges closer as Inter Milan close in on Lazio ace Keita Balde as replacement. Manchester United appear to be close to signing Ivan Perisic after reports suggest Inter Milan are close to signing the replacement. Lazio star Keita Balde is on his way to the San Siro after leaving his training camp early to finalize a move. Ivan Perisic is closer to his Manchester United move after Inter Milan closed in a replacement. Keita Balde looks set to move to Inter Milan, allowing Ivan Perisic to leave. And that has fueled rumors that Perisic will now be allowed to complete his switch to Old Trafford. Inter are holding firm on their asking price of £50 million for Perisic, with United yet to meet it. Jose Mourinho's men have put in a £44 million offer this week after Inter rejected two previous bids. Now the Metro says former Wolfsburg wideman Perisic, 28, has departed pre-season training so he can get treatment for toothache in Croatia. New Inter boss Luciano Spalletti is keen to keep one of the best players in Italy. Inter's technical director Walter Sabatini said, he wants Perisic as one of his players because he is fantastic. Ivan Perisic has been excused from Inter Milan's pre-season squad. Inter Milan want £50 million for Ivan Perisic. Manchester United have had two separate bids turned down for Ivan Perisic. Inter wouldn't like to sell him, but at the same time the club doesn't want to have an unhappy player. One thing is certain, the price of our players will be set by Inter Milan. We hope Perisic will stay. If Perisic will leave, we want money and a player, and we expect Perisic over these next days will show good behavior. Manchester United beat LA Galaxy 5-2 on their tour of the USA.